Tired of losing sales because your customers can't pay the way they want? Let's supercharge your Shopify store by adding Razorpay, the leading payment gateway, in just a few simple steps. First, head over to the Shopify App Store and search for Razorpay. Find the official Razorpay app and click the Add App button. This will redirect you to your Shopify admin panel. Review the permissions the app requires and then click on Install App to authorize the integration. Now, you will be redirected to Razorpay if you already have an account connected. If not, creating a new account is quick and easy. You will need to provide your business details and complete the KYC verification process. Once your Razorpay account is connected, navigate back to the Razorpay settings within your Shopify admin panel. Initially, set the gateway to test mode. This allows you to simulate transactions without using real money, ensuring everything is working correctly. Perform a few test transactions using the test cards provided by Razorpay. Verify that the payment goes through and that the order is correctly recorded in your Shopify store. Once you are satisfied with the testing, switch the gateway to live mode to start accepting real payments from your customers. Congratulations! You've successfully integrated Razorpay with your Shopify store. Your customers can now enjoy seamless and secure payments using a variety of options, leading to happier customers and boosted sales.